before. Strong and steady, open every door. Through the seasons, love's our guide. We're not just living, we were made to rise.
Hey sis, it's me, Marilyn, and welcome to the Rise with the Journey Woman podcast. So I hope you are well on today. I know that this month has been very busy. If not for you, it's been for me. But if you tuned in last week, we talked about real estate, and I want to continue to touch on that. Have you guys heard about the 50-year mortgage? What do you think? Is it a blessing or is it a burden? This is a new program that Trump is trying to roll out, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment, but let's go ahead and discuss and kind of maybe bring out some thoughts about what could be the blessing and what could be the burden about it. What are your thoughts? I really, really, really want to know your thoughts about this, y'all. The housing market and how people think about buying homes is important. And we're going to talk about the possibility, the 50-year mortgage program that's been making headlines, because I don't know if you've been watching, but I've been seeing some other realtors, brokers, even talk about it. But I want to break down what it could mean for real people like you and me. So let's talk about it. So our presidents, or your presidents, Trump has hinted about a housing plan that could possibly include 50 years of a mortgage. And it's not official, but the idea is to stretch home loans over a longer time so buyers can afford smaller payments. Now, this may sound like a relief for a lot of families, especially with today's rates and prices. It could open doors for renters who thought homeownership was out of reach. And I know a lot of renters, people that rather rent than buy because they feel as though they can't afford it. But this could be an opportunity for them to be able to own a home. The other side of this is that longer loans also mean more interest, right? Slower equity and bigger long-term debt. And you might pay less each month, but more over time. It's like trading short-term comfort for long-term commitment. So before getting excited about a 50-year loan, ask yourself, do I want lower payments now or homeownership sooner? And really, you get to decide what is best for you. And I just want to stop and say, that's why I do what I do, is to keep us informed and also walk with people in this life of real estate. And I've been in it. I was a loan officer and now real estate agent. But things are changing, and they're changing drastically. Some for good, some may not be for good, but we need to know our options. What works best for us? And so I've had clients that rented and felt that that was a safer route. And sometimes when you run numbers and show them that they can buy at the right rate and price, and actually help them to start building wealth, it may make sense, right? Sometimes the best move isn't the easiest one. Whether it's a 30-year or 50-year loan, it's about strategy, really not the hype. And I always want to leave some quick takeaways or some tips or something that will have you to think about it and also research. I want you to first know your numbers. Don't listen just to the headlines. Do the math. Make sure the math is mathing. And 2, think legacy. A home isn't just where you live. It's a part of what you leave. And 3, seek wise counsel. Talk to your realtor, your lender, a coach before you leap. Like I said, that's why I do what I do. And I also have a book. And I'm going to plug in because I do this because I want to be able to give you resources and things that will help you along your journey of becoming a homeowner or life transitions, or you want to be a homeowner and you want to know things, and anything that I can't answer for you, I will find the answer. You don't never have to leave without knowing an answer, because I will make sure I find out what that answer is. I want you guys to get my book. It is From Dreaming to Owning. The first-time home buyers from dreaming to owning. If you're not home buyers, this is a great tool to have. I always talk about having tools in your toolbox, naturally, not just, tools to fix your car, your house, whatever, but tools for life. And this is a book that can help you in that journey. And then I also have a book that I just published. It's a 30-day of healing, growth, and resilience. And those of you that are going through transition, whether you've been divorced or widows, or just you're making a transition in your life, and you get this book, it will help you. I have several books that could speak to your whatever you're going through. It'll speak to your situation, because I am someone that has gone through different situations, different things in my life, but I tell you, God has helped me through them all. He is the source of my strength. He is my comforter. He is my protector. He's my guide. And I can't do none of this without him. With God, all things are possible. And I tell you, he has helped me throughout my process in my life, and also has downloaded books. I'm a writer. I write books. I write books to help people in their journey. I have children's books and adult books and romance novels. The romance novels I don't talk about much, but I do have them out there. Rediscovered Love, Eternal Embers, but that is by Michelle Hart, which is my pen name. But look, my point is, I have a book for you. But I do this podcast because I want to be able to share with you guys resources, tips, tools to help you in your journey of real estate, of life, anything that you're dealing with that you can relate to, that I am discussing through my podcast. I want you to get the book, or even one-on-one coaching. I'm available for you. Go to my link tree. I do investment properties. I do home ownership, buying, selling, listing. I am available to you. I am licensed in both Georgia and Florida. I have now put my license in Florida as a referral status, so I have others that will be able to help you in Florida, but I will still be with you every step of the way. I have connections in California because guess what? I'm a Cali girl. So I always have connections in California. But I want you to know that I'm here for you, sis, every step of the way. And even, brother, if you're listening to this podcast and I am saying something that you can relate to, that you find that is helpful for you in your journey, please reach out to me. Comment. I would love to hear your comments, or let's look at your comments. Not hear your comments, but look at your comments. Send me a message. Reach out to me. I'm on platforms. I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Snapchat. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Spotify. I try to stay connected in various ways, and I hope that what I have discussed today will be helpful to you about this 50-year mortgage. Is it a blessing or is it a burden? I want you to tell me in the comments. Is it a blessing or is it a burden? What are your thoughts? I hope that you are well and thriving on this day, Thursday, early morning, 7:30. And I'm so glad that you tuned in. I would love to hear from you. And this is going to be the close of the 50-year mortgage talk. It's unfolding, y'all. Keep your eyes open and your purpose clear. Don't chase the trends. Build your foundation. Guys, this is episode 9 of Rise with the Journey Woman podcast. I'm Marilyn, your realtor, coach, and sister in purpose, helping you to rise in faith, property, and growth. I'll see you guys next week, and remember, wisdom always wins over hype. God bless, be well. Talk to you next week, same time, same channel.